Okay, this right here has to be the cleanest Gremlin I've ever seen in my life. You can smell the race gas. He's got something crazy under the hood. It says 6.8 liter on the back, but just the paint job on this thing is insane. I've never seen a Gremlin this clean. Wheels. This thing is nice. Only in Arizona on Sunday, you know. Old school Gremlin, look like I got candy paint on it. The thing is so clean. And of course this Civic's gonna mess up my footage. It says 401 on the top of the tag, so on top of the fender. Nice little lifted Dodge Ram, all blacked out, with knobbies, big wheels. That's pretty tight. Oh. Okay. Another lifted Chevy. Seems like Arizona, man, home of the lifted trucks. I mean, they're cool. I don't know if I'd like to have one. I don't know. I'd rather have the Jeep though. Lifted Jeeps are pretty badass. Lifted truck, I don't know. I'm not sure about the whole lifted truck thing. They're cool to look at, but here's my thing about a truck. I've always wanted a real truck. I've only had one truck in my life, but it really wasn't considered a real truck. I mean, it was a small regular cab, lowered down. It was more like a mini truck styles truck. But I've always wanted a real truck so I can get some dirt bikes, like some real dirt bikes. But here's the thing: if I get a truck, and it would be which if I ever did get a truck, it'd probably be like a long bed, so I'd have more room for dirt bike stuff or ATVs. I don't know about the ATV thing, but anyway, if you get a truck lifted, wouldn't that make it like a lot harder to get your dirt bike in and out the back of the lifted truck? I mean, when I see like lifted trucks with the trailer. Wow, she looks hot. I see the lifted trucks with the trailer, with the trailer hitch that's like drop down. So it's like if you still got to pull a trailer, why have a truck? Why not just get like a Suburban and lift it? To me, it just seems like, see, like that right there. I mean, that's not too bad. It's not lifted too high, but it's still, that would, it just seems like it just makes life a little bit harder all the way around. I think if I was going to lift something, I would lift the SUV and then pull a trailer with it. But if I had a truck, even if it was a 4x4 truck, like this right here, that's not too bad. That's like, you know, it's just got the the tires, and it's not too bad. I would rock that. It's a diesel, that's cool. And there's a cop there, so I'm going to turn this way, even though I didn't really want to go that way. But I guess I will go this way so I can go check my P.O. box. Oh, which I can't do because I don't have my P.O. box key. Okay. So I guess I will be turning around somewhere and going back to my house because I have forgotten. I don't know, I got my mind set on coffee. I just like forget everything.